Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to talk about how to do audience targeting inside the LinkedIn Ads account. So once we log into the account, guys, we can select the campaign group in which we want to make these changes in this manner. And then we can select the campaign in which we want to do the audience targeting. Let's say we're doing it in the text campaign. So we can edit this. And now we will come to the targeting segment where we can do the different types of audience targeting. So here, as you can see, who this audience, who is your target audience? So from here, we can set up our target audiences, guys. So in order to do this, you can go ahead and set up search for audience attributes. Now, if you look at audience attributes, there are different types of audience targeting which we can do out here. So the first is company. So in company, we can target based on company category, connections, follower, growth rate, industries, names, and multiple other ones as there. So let's look at company category. When you select company category, you will get to see different categories of companies out here. And now you will be able to select in this particular manner. Same way, let's say we want to target companies based on their growth rate. So now you can select from these segments in this way. So this becomes our targeting, which we are doing based on company. Similarly, under demographics, you can target based on members' age and gender. So under this, under age, you will get various options like this. And the same way, you can do it for gender as well, where you can choose the categories out here. Now, the other idea is that apart from this, you will get other options as well, like education. In education, we are able to target our members based on the degrees they hold, fields of study, and member schools. Okay, so let's have a look at this as well. So under degrees, you can go ahead and find out the degrees which we are looking for, and you can link them over here, let's say in this manner. Fields of study as well, we can search and choose the options which we are looking for. And then same way, member schools as well. Like this, you can do your education targeting. LinkedIn also provides you an option to do targeting, audience targeting based on job experience, which is around job functions, seniorities, job titles which people hold, member skills, the skills they hold on their profile, and the years of experience they have. So for example, here you can choose the year of experience. Let's say we're choosing between 1 to 4 years. Same way, under job titles, you can choose the specific type of users you're looking for. So you can choose in this way. So these are all the categories you will get under job experience. And then the last one which you have is interest and traits, where you can target your LinkedIn members based on their interest, traits, and groups they have created. Okay, so here you can search for different member groups. And under interest, you have various general interest and product interests. So under general interest, you can choose from these categories. Similarly, when you come to member traits, you can see here you can go ahead and target based on various opportunities like job seekers, open to education, which you can select from. So these are all the options which you will get under audience attributes, which we are seeing out here. Apart from this, this is all the targeting which we are doing, the audiences which we want to reach out to. At the same time, you can also add exclude audiences. Exclude audiences are going to be those ones whom you don't want to reach out to, whom you don't want to show your ads. So that also is possible, wherein you can come to audience attributes and do the same thing over here. Let's say we're looking for a certain type of audiences whom should not be being shown. So let's say degree holders who are not masters, we don't want to show our ads to them. So in this manner, you can also add some exclude audiences as well. So in this way, guys, we are able to do our audience targeting inside a LinkedIn ads campaign. I hope this makes sense. And now you understand how we did all these targetings inside the campaign. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into this session today. Have a great day, guys.